When the bed do the entire body.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making a very exciting video because this isn't really my normal hair video. This is more like a skincare routine video, and it's about microneedling. And before I get into the video, I'll explain to you guys a little bit what microneedling is. So microneedling is also called collagen induction therapy (CIT), and it's a skin rejuvenating treatment in which tiny, fine needles are used to puncture the skin, and when the skin heals itself, that is rejuvenates, it produces collagen, which helps to remove scars, hyperpigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles, pore size, stretch marks, etc. And collagen is a structural protein found in the skin. It contains acids that bind together, and when that happens, it provides structure to your skin and is one of the major building blocks of skin, muscles, tendons, and ligaments. The main ingredients used for microneedling include hyaluronic acid, isopropyl alcohol, and microneedling pen. Numbing cream is optional, and for this video I didn't really use it. So hyaluronic acid is used for lubricating the skin while performing procedure. It also helps to treat wounds faster, which means that the tiny puncture wounds made by the microneedling pins on your face will absorb the acid, and this will help produce collagen. Isopropyl alcohol is used in hospitals to clean an area before injections, which means that it's very safe on skin. It should contain at least 60% isopropyl alcohol, and the main use of the alcohol during CIT, which is microneedling, is to kill any left bacteria after washing your face. How often should microneedling be done? So the procedure should be done about 4 to 6 weeks apart of each other, so as to give your skin time to heal properly. Depending on the condition of your skin, how many treatments needed will vary for each person. So I might need 5 and someone else might need 6, 7. Now this is the video. So as you can see, mine has up to 70% isopropyl alcohol, and I got this from Walmart for like $8-9. It wasn't very expensive. And I have the cotton pad. I'm not sure where I'm showing you guys this, but you could just get this from dollar store, Walmart, wherever. But this is what I used for the alcohol. And this is my hyaluronic acid. So I have a funny story. So before I started making this video, like a week before, I went to Sephora to get some hyaluronic acid, and I did buy some, but then this morning when I was trying to make the video, I didn't really find it, so I had to go out to the store again and buy a new one. So this is the new one I bought, and this was like $14, way more expensive than the one I got from Sephora, and the one I got from Sephora was like $6. So this is what it looks like. And here I'm opening up the main microneedling pen itself. So I got this off the actual website. It's the Dr. Pen microneedling pen, and I got it for $136 US. I'm not sure how much that is in Canadian dollars. That's how much I had to pay. So this is the microneedling pen. This is like the packaging, I guess. And this is the manual. I should have read this manual before doing the video because it took me a long time to figure out where everything goes. So it says on there, if only the camera was okay there. So it says that you can start the dial or the draw at 0.5. So it says that you can start the draw at 0.25, gradually adjust higher if needed. So this means that the depth of the pen should be 0.25 and then if your pain tolerance is high, then you could increase the depth. So these are the cartridges the pen came with. I bought the one with 10 cartridges. Oh, that's the hyaluronic acid that came with the pen, so I shouldn't have gone to buy some. So the cartridges, I have 10 cartridges, and each cartridge has 12 pins in it. So here I'm finally opening up the main pen itself. So this is the microneedling pen, and the blue part is where you can twist to adjust the depth of the pin, and it starts from 0.25, which is the lowest, and these two are the batteries. You can just you can just attach them to the pen and turn it on. So I'm just opening one up to show you guys what it looks like. And this is a charger, so if you don't want to use the battery, you could plug this into the pen and use the charger to plug into the charger, into the charging port I mean, and it could still work. So this is one of the pens, and I guess I'm just opening one up to show you guys what it looks like. Sorry, this is one of the cartridges, and I'm just trying to figure out where it goes, and look how long it's taking me. I should have read the manual. I finally figured it out. So it goes in there, and then you twist, and remember the blue section to my left thumb is where you can adjust for the depth of the pin. And the pin, it has 12 pins in it and 10 cartridges, so you could always buy some more cartridges when you're done, and after using each cartridge it needs to go in the garbage. You can reuse it. Okay, time for the video. So I'm just using some cotton pad with the isopropyl alcohol to wipe my face a little bit. Yeah, it has a very strong smell. So here I'm applying some of the hyaluronic acid on my face, and I'm going to be starting with my forehead, and from there I could move down to my cheeks, my chin, my nose, and everywhere else that is left. So I'm starting this at 0.25, which is the minimum depth, and I'm going to go in circular motions around my forehead, and when that is done, I would apply some hyaluronic acid on my cheeks, and then I would use the pen on there too. So I actually went around my face once, and then after that I went around it again, so 2 times in total. I will speed the video up soon just so it's not too slow. So after I was done applying the hyaluronic acid and the microneedling and all of that, I rinsed my face out, and after rinsing it, I did not put anything on my face. It's advised to use a very gentle face wash after doing this, because your pores are open and you don't want to use anything that could harm your skin. So one of the gentle face wash is Cetaphil, and that's what I used on my third day actually. So on the first and second day, I just rinsed my face. I didn't use anything to wash it. But on the third and fourth day, I used Cetaphil to wash my face. And from the fifth day, I started using my normal face routine. If you know what could work for you, that would be great. But for me, I decided to take 2 days off of using any face products, just washing my face with water. And then from the third day, I introduced a very gentle face wash, which is Cetaphil. And on the fifth day, I went back to my normal face routine. So when I was done with this, my face was red, but it wasn't bleeding. Some of the videos I watched on YouTube, they were all like, they had like bleeding face and all of this, and I was so scared that would happen to me too. But mine was just mostly red. And the most painful parts, like not really painful, but like the more painful than the other sections, were my forehead, the under eye, and the tip of my nose. Oh, and also my chin, but mostly my under eye and the tip of my nose. So the next time I'm making a video about microneedling will be in about 6 to 8 weeks time, and I'll be making a video on that as well, just so you could see the progress. And you need to throw away your pen as soon as you're done using it, because you can't reuse it. I'll show you guys an update at the 2nd month, and I'll do another update in the 6th month. And here I'm just showing you guys a close-up of what my face looks like. And at the end of the video, I have like the day I did the procedure and then 1 week after. So I hope you guys really enjoyed the video, and if you have any questions, please ask in the comments and I'll reply. And I hope this was a very educating video, and you can see the difference in my skin in these 2 pictures.
Kidiri, 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 kidiri.